Hi everyone. Today's World Asthma Day. So theme for this year decided by Gina is make anti-inflammatory inhalers accessible to all the people who have asthma. So when you hear the word asthma, it is not just the end of your life. Do not be prejudiced by it. Please visit your pulmonologist. They are going to explain you what happens, what are your triggers, and what medications can you take. Definitely by using medications, asthma can come under control. And also don't forget to take your vaccinations if you are having any respiratory